Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am going to unboxing Ikon Bluetooth speaker. EBT727. Wireless microphone, instruction manual, charging cable. All the features can be seen as a normal party box. USB player, TFT card, FM radio, Bluetooth. Mp3 player, AUX Input, external mic input, speaker driver 4-inch, total output power 10 watts, battery 3.7 volts, 1500 milliamp hours, charging input 5 volts 1 ampere. Comes with a wireless mic. Transmission distance 10 meters. FM 87.5 to 108.0 MHz. RGB LED light effect. Let's see how sound quality of this speaker is. Please make sure to use headphones for best sound quality. Sound quality is not bad comparing to the price range. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon with another video.